In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add products to collections in Shopify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about adding products to collections in Shopify, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's get started with this process. To add products to a collection in Shopify, navigate to the Products section. Clicking on the Collections tab. Create a new collection by naming it. Once named, be sure to save it. Next, head to the All Products section. Choose the product you want to add to the collection. You'll find an option to assign or add the product to collections. Here, select the collection you just created. Ensure that the conditions for the collection are correctly set. Sometimes, if the collection doesn't appear, it might be due to incorrect conditions. Review the conditions set for the collection and ensure they match the product title or description you've assigned. It's crucial to pay attention to the conditions you've specified. For example, if you've set conditions based on keywords, titles, or specific dates, verify if these match the product details accurately. By being meticulous with your conditions, you'll ensure that the products are correctly placed within the intended collection. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful tutorials. Your support and engagement inspire us to create more content like this.